Antayo ka ni tampig anak. Pig. Galing. Monkey. Antitan chicken. Galing. Good job. Ante ulit itampig anak. Galing. Nano yan? Tiger. Tiger. Oh, ante itang monkey, baby. Monkey. Galing. O, itang elephant. May patildo ka ako itang elephant. Elephant. Ay, galing naman. Good job. Very good. Nano pa? O, detang fruits ang talo. Yan. Ante ka nitang apple. Galing. Nanya yan. Grapes. O, itang banana. Antayo. Galing. How about the... Very good. How about the strawberry? Where is it? Strawberry, anak. Talagang balugbuga. Tsaka Miss Rachel, ne? Run away. Antay yun, Mr. Thumbskin. Te, Irene. Antay tang orange. Galing. Apple. Nano pa? O, itang dog, antitang dog. Where's the dog? Manto nani po kanyan. Where is it? Dog. Galing! Monkey. O, itang bear. Antitang bear. Galing! Cat. Cat yan. Ay, itang elephant, Ken. Antayo. Ay, frog na mo pala. Where's the frog? Galing! Good job! Ay, itang monkey. No, ka rin niya kasi ulit itang monkey. Galing! Very good yo. Iguana. Iguana yalagyo yan. Lion. Galing na. O, clap na. Very good yo. Talagang imbalugbog at tsuking TV, ne? Akin naman. O, antayo po itong, Mr. Sun. Sun. Mr. Sun. Where's Mr. Sun? Galing. Aliwayan ng buri mo. O, itang, Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Antayo, tuldom eh. Antayo. Ay, nabisa.